So civil infrastructure really provides that basic support for life and the basic support for civilization. Right now, we have about 8 billion people on the planet, and we expect to go to 10. We're already operating beyond the sustainable limits of the planet, and somehow we have to transform our infrastructure so that we can both be more sustainable, more resilient, and equitable. So that's the challenge for us today. Now, as we talked about, there's $1.6 trillion being infused into the infrastructure sector today. Biggest investment in infrastructure in the last 70 years. And really, it is about kind of how do we use that wisely and effectively to produce the outcomes that we need for this transition to something that can enable society to live within the framework and the planetary limits. Asset management really is the heart of this from an infrastructure perspective. It enables vertical integration between the policymakers with the physical assets, whether they're natural assets, technical assets. Asset management really is at the heart of that. The second is the horizontal integration between different disciplines, whether it's social sciences, whether it's technical disciplines that we're familiar with, whether it's economics, et cetera. The civil infrastructure sector suffers a bit by not employing these tools effectively to manage the complexity of civil infrastructure. And in particular, as we start to move into both the fourth industrial revolution and we start dealing with issues like climate change, that these tools are really essential to help with the transformation of infrastructure.